Yeah.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
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 I am Gabriel Ogeni, my lord.
Gabriel who?
Ogeni, my lord. Ogeni is spelled Ogeni. Sir.
Ogen.
Sir.
Okay. Yes.
My humble appearance for the 8th garnish Polaris Bank PLC. My lord, be pleased.
Yes.
Respectfully, my lord.
Yes.
I am EG Anyway. EG any initials. Anyway, I spelled EN.
Yes.
IE.
ENIE. ENIE. Yes.
IV.
IV. Okay.
Yes. WENEYE.
Okay. Yes. Your appearance is
7th Ganishi, Keystone Bank Limited.
Yes.
May it please the Honorable Court. My name is Omeza Zacchaeus.
Mr. Omezia?
Zacchaeus.
I guess you have two devices on, and that's why there's a feedback.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Is there any other device close to you?
Yeah, I've just switched off one, sir.
Okay. So we are clear now.
Yes, sir. My name is Omeza Zacchaeus.
Yes.
My humble appearance is for the 11th Ganishi. Zenith Bank PLC.
Is there anyone appearing with you? You are just alone? Is there anyone appearing with you?
I'm alone, sir. I'm alone, sir.
Okay. Okay. For the 11th Ganeshi?
Yes, sir. Zenith
Bank. Yes, thank you.
With humility and respect, my lord.
Yes.
With humility and respect, my lord.
Yes.
My name is AY Imam.
AY Imam?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My appearance is for the first Gainichi, Central Bank of Nigeria.
First?
Yes. Central Bank of Nigeria.
Yes. Any other appearance? So we don't have for the 3rd, we don't have for the 4th. No legal representation. For the 3rd. Yes. For the 3rd, for the 4th, 5th, 3rd, 4th, 5th. We don't have for the 6th. We don't have for the 10th. Yes.
Yes, sir. Your Lordship, the judgment predictions applicants have a motion on notice.
Okay, I want to record what transpired at the last sitting.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, at the last sitting which held on the 27th, 26th day rather, 27th day of June, the Honorable Court adjourned proceedings to October.
No, why did the courts adjourn proceedings to October? I want to be informed because the way you people are going about it is as safe. Okay, at the last sitting, the judgment.
Yes. Filed a preliminary objection. So the Honorable Court adjourned for the hearing of that preliminary objection, which
on what ground did the court adjourn? Was it not because the MPO had not been served on parties?
No, sir. We needed to respond because we were served on the same day, sir. So we needed to respond to it, sir.
Okay, at the last session, the judgment debtors filed the MPO,
Yes,
and
sir.
an adjournment was sought.
Yes, sir.
An adjournment was sought to enable us respond
To the PO.
to the PO. I
Yes,
have to
Your
put this record properly now, because the
Yes,
way
Your
you
Lord.
people were setting it as if I just adjourned to 20 of October unreasonably.
No,
So
no,
it
sir,
was
no, sir.
adjourned because you asked for an adjournment to enable you to respond,
At the court, please.
and the court adjourned
The court adjourned
to,
at the instance of the judgment creditors applicant.
okay, so it is on record that it was based on your application that the matter was adjourned to the 25th of October 2024.
Yes, Your Lord.
Okay, you can proceed for them.
Yes, Your Lord. Your Lord,
Adeniyi
factors after that adjournment, the judgment creditors and the judgment debtors settled themselves and came to terms on how the judgment sum is to be defrayed.
Okay, after the said sitting, after the case was adjourned,
Yes, Your Lordship.
after the case was adjourned, the JCs and the JDs, yes, reached
a settlement agreement.
Reached a
An
settlement,
agreement
yes,
on how to defray the judgment sum.
on how the judgment sum will be defrayed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes?
Your Lordship, this is what necessitated the application filed on the 12th of July 2024.
Based on this fact,
Yes, Your Lordship.
the motion, a motion was filed. What date?
3rd day of July, sir.
2024. Yes.
Yes,
When
Your
were the
Lordship.
motions served on parties?
Yes, Your Lordship. All the parties have been served in the said motion.
When were they served? When were they served?
The parties were served yesterday, sir.
Okay.
The
said motion,
July 2024.
the said motion was just served. Served on parties.
Yes, Your Lord.
What date?
The 22nd day of July 2024, sir.
Okay.
But the principal party, the government debtor, or the government debtors, the principal parties were served with an advance copy shortly after the motion was filed.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. Subject to Your Lordship's convenience, we crave Your Lordship's indulgence to take the said motion.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And you filed an affidavit of urgency too?
Yes, Your Lordship. We did file an affidavit of urgency. The said affidavit was filed on the 17th day of July, sir.
What date?
17th July 2024, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship have permission for which we proceed.
Yes, you can proceed, but I'll need to be. I've read the motion. Of course, I've read the motion.
Yes,
but I want to ask you, what really exactly do you mean by the term countermanding?
Your Lordship, that's to set aside the other nicer item.
To set aside the other nicer?
Yes,
Say that.
Okay. Can the order that has been granted in your favor be set aside?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Under what authority, under what rule can an order that was granted in somebody's favor, can it be set aside? What are the bases for setting aside an order? Ordinarily. No. Can you listen well to me now?
Yes, sir.
When you want to set aside an order, on what basis do you set aside based on law?
If the order was made without, if the court didn't have the jurisdiction to make the order,
Okay, one.
brought to set it aside.
Yes.
If the order was made based on misrepresentation made to the court,
Yes.
the court that made the order can set it aside.
Yes.
Brought before it. But Your Lordship, the circumstances surrounding this application are different from those circumstances.
Yeah, but the law has set the rules on the basis on which one can set aside a judgment, and this is not known to law. Your motion is definitely not known to law. I cannot set aside given in your favor. If it is the judgment debtors that are coming now and say, set it aside, then you use the word countermand as if it is something that you imported from somewhere, but the dictionary meaning is still revoke, it is still set aside, and the basis on which we can set aside judgments are stated in the Order 47 of the Rules of this Court, where it is erroneously sought or erroneously granted, which is not the case. Where there is ambiguity and patent error or omission, which is not the case. When it is granted as a result of a mistake, which is not the case.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So basically, this order is unknown to law. What I can advise, because I can see that the defendant, the judgment debtors too are interested, what you can do now is to withdraw the garnishee proceedings outrightly.
That's all places.
Yes,
You will. That is the only basis in which I will take this proceedings. But telling me to countermand, the countermanding is revoking an order that has been given in your favor, which is not known unto law.
Yes, Your Lord. We are well guided, sir.
So I will still state it as it is, that you have a pending motion filed on this so and so date, and that it is for countermanding, and the court made his own remarks or opinion that this application is unknown to law.
It's called places.
Judgment creditor, counsel, we have an application. Can you please give me a moment? Filed on, what date was it filed? On the 3rd of July, 2024. Praying for the others as stated on the face of the application. Okay, so like I stated, court, the order being sought is unknown to law. So in the circumstances, yes, the judgment creditor in the circumstances, when the court is saying that, yes?
Yes, Your Lordship, we seek Your Lordship's permission to apply to withdraw The entire application for Ghana should be pending before this one of God.
Yes, judgment debtors.
Lord, we have no objection to the application, and we
No
must thank your
objection.
Lordship.
No objection to the application for withdrawal of the garnishee proceedings.
Yes, my Lord.
All the garnishes that are present, so I'll just
Yes, my lord.
I just want to know who is objecting. Otherwise, I'll just write no objection for every one of you.
Objection, sir.
Okay, no objection. Okay. All the garnishes present, no objection. So if he's withdrawing, the judgment debtors MPO is going. Who has two devices on, please? Whoever has two devices on should please switch off one because it's interrupting the proceedings. So if the garnishee proceedings has been withdrawn, has been prayed, the MPO that was filed by the judgment debtors is going. The
Most definitely,
application,
my Lord.
yes, the application of the Access Bank too on contention of whatever that they file, that one too is going. So all the applications that come with these proceedings are all being taken together as being withdrawn. That is the implication.
As a court, please.
Court.
Sorry, my Lord. If your Lordship would just hear me for seconds.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord. We are hoping, Mr. Ekpa, my Lord.
Yes,
Lord, we are hoping
that's the
that
judgment debtors. Yes.
Yes, my Lord. That your Lordship will kindly make a specific order vacating the garnishee order in addition
I will do
to
that. Oh, I will do that. I'll do that since there's an order on ground for that. But really, Mr. Ekpa, the way your Attorney General portrayed the matter is as if all the garnishees had accounts. From my own calculation. Yes.
We apologize, my Lord.
No. It's unfair when you write applications like this and you portray it in a different way. All in the temple of justice. The way you said it as if I was the one that just adjourned arbitrarily like that from June to October, not stating the in-between of the facts that there was an MPO which caused the court to adjourn to October 1. Then number 2, as if it is all the garnishes that have an account in that all their accounts have been frozen. From my own record, I think it is only about 2 or 3 of the garnishes. I'm sorry. I may quickly check where I wrote it. Okay. The garnishes, as at that time, the central bank had not even filed anything. Am I correct? First bank, central bank, the first garnishee, they had not filed anything. Access Bank, we have accounts, IGR collection accounts, but second judgment debtor by credit facility is indebted to the second garnishee. That is my record for the second. Echo Bank, second garnishee, 32 million lien on the accounts. Is that not it? Fidelity Bank, 2 million or 2,000, is it 2,000? No, 2,621,000. I had all this already recorded on my file on that day. So as it is, it's just like about 2 or 3 of them, and you made it appear that all the accounts of the Kogi state government have been frozen by the order of the court. That is not fair on the court.
We sincerely apologize.
Court application granted. The Ganeshi proceedings. What is the suit number, please? Registry?
370M, 2019.
The Ganeshi proceedings in ABJ/3 what?
370M, 2019.
2019, filed by the judgment creditors herein, is hereby accordingly struck out. I'm still on. I have to discharge all the specifically discharge all the garnishes. Just a minute. So the garnishes, can one of you make the application specifically so that I will just make an order together? Who are the garnishes? I want the Access Bank in particular should make the order for discharge because they are the ones that have a majority of the accounts.
Right, my lord.
Yes.
In the circumstance of this matter, my lord.
In the circumstances.
We urge, my lord.
Of the withdrawal, of the striking out.
Yes, my lord.
Of the striking out of the garnishing proceedings, yes?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
We apply that my lord discharges.
That the garnishes in this matter be discharged.
Yes, my lord.
What application granted, it is hereby ordered as follows. The garnishes, namely the Central Bank of Nigeria, Access Bank PLC, Fidelity Bank PLC, First Bank of Nigeria PLC, Heritage Bank PLC, Keystone Bank PLC, Polaris Bank PLC, United Bank for Africa PLC, Wema Bank PLC, and Zenith Bank PLC are hereby discharged from any liability or liabilities to the judgment creditors with regards to this garnishee proceedings.
Council PC.
As the court pleases.
Thank you. That will be all for, excuse me? I thought somebody was saying something there.
Yes, I will provide
yeah. What's the name? HM? Yeah, you're for Echo Bank. What number is your bank? Number third. Okay, so we are all discharged. The courts will rise. Mr. Oga?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
We are grateful and we apologize for all the inconveniences caused to this honorable court.
It is our duty. Since you've brought us, what do? We have come, we've done it. But ordinarily, Mr. Oga, you have not done all that you needed to do in this matter. Yes, I will leave you to it and go and consult with your people, because having said that they had settled, that you had settled, the proper thing for you to have done is to file the terms of the settlement for us to enter consent judgment, which you did not do in this instance. The court will rise.
As court, please.
Echo Bank.